best vlogging cameras in 2024. Imagine being able to freeze a moment in time and keep it forever. Sounds like magic, right? Well, with the right camera, it's totally possible. Whether you're capturing the laughter of a family picnic, the stunning sunset at the beach, or your own story as you explore new places, a good vlogging camera is your best buddy. Today, we're diving into the world of vlogging cameras, the wizards behind your favorite YouTube videos and Instagram stories. From the pocket-sized gadgets to those that the pros use, we've got the scoop on the best vlogging cameras of 2024. Ready to find out which camera will be your magic wand for storytelling? Let's go on this adventure together, starting from number 7 all the way to our top pick. Number 7, Sony ZV-1, the Pocket Pro. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Sony ZV-1. Think of it as a small box with big surprises. It's perfect for those who want to capture life's moments without carrying a heavy camera. With features that make your videos look professional, like blurry backgrounds and clear sounds, the Sony ZV-1 is like having a mini movie studio in your pocket. But wait, there's more to this tiny powerhouse than meets the eye. Imagine being able to make your videos shine with just a click thanks to its built-in beauty effects. No need for hours of editing, the Sony ZV-1 smooths out the rough spots, making you and your surroundings look their best in every frame. And if you're worried about being drowned out by the hustle and bustle around you, fear not. The ZV-1's clever microphone design focuses on your voice, ensuring you're heard loud and clear whether you're whispering a secret or shouting from the rooftops. What's truly magical about the Sony ZV-1 is its ability to adapt. From sun-drenched beaches to dimly lit rooms, this camera adjusts to your environment, guaranteeing your videos always have that professional glow. Plus, with its flip-out screen, you can frame your shots perfectly, whether you're taking a selfie or setting up for your next big scene. It's like having a director, cameraman, and makeup artist all in one, fitting snugly in your pocket or purse. So, whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out on your journey to capture life's moments, the Sony ZV-1 offers a blend of convenience, quality, and creativity that's hard to beat. It's not just a camera, it's your gateway to telling stories that captivate and inspire, making every video a masterpiece worth sharing. Number 6, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Smooth Operator. Next up at number 6, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Ever wondered how some videos look so smooth even when people are moving around a lot? That's the magic of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's not just a camera, it's also a stabilizer that keeps your videos steady. It's like having a robot cameraman who follows your every move, making sure everything looks buttery smooth. But the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 isn't just about keeping things steady. It's a wizard in your pocket that brings your storytelling to life with its cinematic features. Imagine capturing the hustle of city streets or the serene flow of a mountain stream with the same clarity and stability as a Hollywood movie. This gadget makes it a breeze, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary tales. And it doesn't stop there, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is smart, really smart. With features like Active Track 3.0, it locks onto subjects with the precision of a hawk, ensuring that the focus of your story never slips away, even if they're moving. Want to add some dramatic flair? The motion lapse feature transforms the passage of time into captivating visuals, letting you showcase the world in ways you never thought possible. Moreover, its compact size hides a universe of creative potential. With high-quality 4K video at your fingertips, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 invites you to explore, experiment, and express like never before. Whether you're a travel vlogger venturing into unknown lands or a creative soul capturing the beauty of everyday life, this device is your loyal companion, ready to immortalize your adventures with a level of polish and poise that's simply mesmerizing. So, if you're looking to elevate your video content with professional-grade stabilization and cinematic flair, all while keeping things as compact as can be, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a game-changer. It's not just about recording videos, it's about crafting stories that resonate, enchant, and endure. Number 5, Panasonic Lumix GH6, the Creative Companion. Number 5 brings us the Panasonic Lumix GH6. This camera is for the dreamers, the creators, and the adventurers. It lets you capture the world in ways you've never imagined with amazing quality and creative features. Whether you're filming a fast-paced skateboard trick or the calmness of a sunrise, the GH6 has your back. Diving deeper into its treasure trove, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 stands out with its unparalleled video capabilities. Imagine recording not just in 4K, but in 6K, giving your videos a level of detail and clarity that's almost lifelike. This camera isn't just capturing moments, it's preserving them with a richness that feels like stepping into a memory. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 transcends mere high-resolution capture, positioning itself as the storyteller's ultimate tool with its creative modes for both high frame rate and low-light recording, turning every moment into a vivid narrative. Its robust build and weather sealing promise reliability across diverse environments, while its intuitive design invites users of all skill levels to explore their creativity. The GH6 also promotes a community of growth through its vast compatibility with lenses and accessories, encouraging experimentation. More than just a camera, the GH6 is a medium for visual storytelling, urging creators to explore, innovate, and convey unique stories through the art of light and imagery. Number 4. Canon V10, the versatile visionary. Coming in at number 4, the Canon V10. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cameras, versatile, reliable, and always ready for action. With its ability to capture stunning videos in different settings, the Canon V10 is your go-to whether you're vlogging from home or the heart of a bustling city. Delve a bit deeper and you'll discover that the Canon V10 is more than just a versatile tool, it's a creator's best friend. This camera is packed with features that empower you to tell a story your way. Imagine having the power to adjust the look of your videos with just a few taps thanks to its intuitive color profiles and settings. Whether you're aiming for a cinematic look or something more vibrant and lively, the V10 adapts to your vision. The Canon V10 distinguishes itself by democratizing high-quality videography, featuring an advanced autofocus system and image stabilization to ensure professional-looking footage under any circumstance. Its durable design is weather-resistant, perfect for outdoor shoots, while its connectivity features facilitate easy sharing across social platforms. Beyond video capture, the V10 enhances storytelling with creative filters and effects, allowing for personalized content creation. Essentially, the Canon V10 is more than just a camera, it's a versatile tool that opens up limitless possibilities for storytelling, blending performance, versatility, and user-friendliness into an invaluable asset for vloggers and content creators alike. Number 3. Your iPhone, the everyday storyteller. Surprise! At number 3, it's not just a camera, it's your iPhone. With the latest iPhones, capturing high-quality videos is as easy as reaching into your pocket. They're perfect for telling your daily stories, from a delicious meal to a beautiful day at the park. iPhones make sure you never miss a moment. But the magic doesn't stop there. The iPhone brings a whole studio to your fingertips. With features like 4K resolution, slow-mo, and time-lapse, you can transform everyday scenes into cinematic masterpieces. And let's not forget the night mode, which turns low-light conditions into opportunities for stunning shots that shimmer with detail. Beyond the hardware, the iPhone excels in simplicity. Its user-friendly interface means you spend less time figuring out settings and more time capturing life as it happens. And with powerful editing tools right on your device, refining your shots or stitching together your story is a breeze. What's truly remarkable is how the iPhone keeps you connected. Instantly share your creations with friends, family, or followers across the globe. Whether you're vlogging your latest adventure or capturing the quiet moments that make life special, your iPhone is not just a camera, it's your portal to the world, ensuring your memories aren't just preserved, but shared and cherished. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black, the action hero. Second place goes to the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This camera is the ultimate action hero, ready to dive into any adventure with you. Whether you're surfing, biking, or even flying, the GoPro Hero 11 Black captures every thrilling moment in breathtaking detail. The GoPro Hero 11 Black elevates action capturing with its advanced image sensor and expansive field of view, offering cinematic 5.3K resolution that vividly preserves every aspect of your adventures. Its rugged build makes it resilient against water, dust, and shocks, ready for any challenge. With superior stabilization, it ensures smooth footage across all terrains, while its impressive low-light performance keeps your storytelling vibrant, day or night. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is more than a camera, it's a storytelling tool that brings your most thrilling experiences to life. Number 1. Sony ZV-E10, the vlogging virtuoso. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. At number 1, the Sony ZV-E10 stands as the vlogging virtuoso. It's the camera that listens to what you need and turns your vision into reality. With amazing video quality, easy-to-use features, and the flexibility to change lenses, the Sony ZV-E10 is the dream camera for any vlogger looking to take their storytelling to the next level. The Sony ZV-E10 transcends its role as a mere camera, acting as a conduit for your creativity to reach your audience with unparalleled clarity, both visually and audibly. It enhances every aspect of vlogging, from ensuring your voice is clear in any environment to providing sophisticated auto exposure and autofocus for consistently perfect shots. Beyond technical prowess, it allows for personalization through creative effects and color profiles, transforming your content to reflect your unique style. The ZV-E10 is more than a vlogging tool, it's a partner in your creative journey, offering endless possibilities to express, connect, and inspire. With this camera, your imagination sets the boundaries of what you can achieve. And there you have it, our magical journey through the top 7 vlogging cameras of 2024 comes to an end. From the compact Sony ZV-1 to the versatile Sony ZV-E10, each camera on this list has its own unique spell to cast on your vlogging adventures. Remember, the best camera is the one that lets you share your story with the world in your own way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides, tips, and reviews to help you capture life's moments. Until next time, keep creating, exploring, and capturing the magic around you. See you in the next adventure.